Very good morning, students. In the previous video, I have shared with you what are adverbs, how we can make adverbs from adjectives. Like we have seen, the words which all are ending with ly are not adverbs, they may be adjectives too. But by adding ly to some adjectives, we can make adverbs like quickly, gladly, happily, merrily, warmly, like that. Now, today we'll focus on adverbs likely to be confused. There are few adverbs which look similar but their meanings are different. We can use them in the sentences in different way because their meanings are different, like late, lately, hard, hardly, so or such. There are many more. We'll discuss them in next videos. Now today I'll just give you some examples. If I say I got late because of a traffic jam, so here late means it's used as a verb. Lately she has written some interesting stories. Now here lately means not late, but lately means recently. If we discuss about the next, I will meet you directly. Now here directly means soon I will meet you. He went direct to his father and apologized. Now here direct means straightforward he went to his father. So there are many more adverbs which may confuse us when we use them in the sentences. So different positions of these adverbs will make different senses. Like if I say, I was highly impressed by her childlike innocence. So here highly is adverb. As he came, I noticed there were tears in his eyes. So we can say as he came near. Okay. The medicine tasted very bitter. She is a talented doctor. I expect her to rise very high. Okay, so sometimes we should use high, highly, near, nearly, or direct and directly. But these all makes difference when we use in sentences at different positions. Okay, so today we'll focus on hardly, hard, lately, late, and so or such. Let's look at these examples. Late means not on time or not early. The plane arrived late due to bad weather. Now lately means recently. She has been rather ill lately means recently or nowadays. If we talk about high and highly, high means to great height, to be at a high position or the great height. He lifted it high over his head. And if we talk about highly, highly means the extremely, or highly means at the extreme of, at the supermost term for the high. Arsenic is highly toxic means at the greatest degree of it. If we talk about late and lately, take some more example. Late means not being on time and lately means recently, these days, nowadays, or right now. I don't like when my mother arrives late for the dinner. I haven't seen Larissa lately. She must work a lot. Lately means recently. I haven't seen Larissa. Okay. So lately means recently. Let's focus on the second one, that is hard and hardly. This is a hard problem. Now problem is the noun and hard is word used here as an adjective. But if we say she works very hard, so here she works very hard is addition to verb. So it is used as a adverb. So hardly means very little. She hardly works. Makes the difference that she works rarely. This means she barely works at all. Okay. Hard and hardly. He tried hard to find a job, but he had no luck. So here he tried a lot, that is meaning of hard. But in the second sentence you can see the word hardly. It's obvious he didn't find a job, he hardly tried to find one. Now he hardly tried to find one means here he has not placed any efforts for finding the job. Okay, means he tried very little. So hardly means very little or almost not. Could you speak a bit louder? I can hardly hear you. Okay, hardly means almost not. If we talk about hardly, the doctor advised him to avoid sweets, but he hardly followed. Hardly means almost not. Hardly can be used with any or anybody, anyone, anything or anywhere. There are hardly any vacant chairs in the hall. Hardly any. Hardly ever means almost never. I hardly ever go to cinema. You can say Madhu must be unwell. She hardly ate anything. Or you can say the teacher advised him to work hard, but he hardly did anything. Or you can say the match is about to start, but there is hardly anyone in the audience. So I hope you understand the use of hard and hardly. Once again I'll tell you, hardly means very little or almost not, and hard means it is an adjective if it places before the noun. Now focus on the use of so versus such. So can be used with the adjective like Tom seems so happy. So many adjectives you can add after so. So loud, so dull, so quietly, so happy, so sad, like that. Okay. And such you can use with article a or an, and then you can put adjective like he is such an intelligent boy, she told such a pathetic story, such an interesting story, such a good person, in this way. So can be used with adverb like the teacher was speaking so loudly, Sheila was singing so melodiously. So here so loudly and so melodiously are adverbs. Now if we talk about such, here such judgmental noun. Such can be used with judgmental noun. Don't be such a fool. Or such can be used with article a or an, and with noun, that is why did you say such a thing. So such good, so pleasant, you can use in this way. So can be used like judgmental adjective. You are so stupid. But you need to remember so is not used with nouns directly. Okay, it should be used either with adverb or it should be used either before adjective. You can use like so melodiously, so loudly, but you cannot use it with so person, so people, no. Okay, so can be used before adjective and adverb or judgmental adjective, but such can be used with article and adjective, with article and noun. It can be used with judgmental noun too, but such cannot be used with adverbs. Let's see. We can use so that and such that also. I was so tired that I could hardly keep my eyes open. So that we have used. Now how we have used here? You need to check verb need to be placed after so and before that. so tired that. Okay, the same way she told such a pathetic story that everybody was moved to tears. Let's take some more example. Her story was so pathetic that everybody was moved tears. It was such an interesting story, I couldn't put the book down. She was so tired that she cannot walk more. It was such a beautiful dress that I decided to buy it immediately. So, what are these? Here we can use so that and such that also. I hope you understand. Thank you.